Kuya Random is building a bench. Well guys, so ito yung binild ni Kuya Random na bench. Ayan. Acacia. It's really a good bench kasi ano siya guys, high quality, mabigat. Ayan o, kahit ilang tao umupo dyan, kaya. Siguro mga 3 or 4 kasya. 3 mostly. Very nice. Thank you Kuya Random for assembling my bench. Ayan. So guys, I have unboxing here. This is from eBay, and then let me show you what I got. I ordered this. It's like $10, and it's a 7.5 sandals, Clarks, right there. Hopefully it's good for walking. I ordered it for my cousin, so this is for her. Hope she likes it. It looks good to me. There's nothing wrong with it. Everything is, it seems great. I don't see anything. Maybe it's a display. Yeah, in the store, but still, it looks really good, right guys? So that's one of my trick to get a good deal on eBay. So guys, ito yung nakuha ko sa eBay na Clarks na sandals. At doon ay nakasabi may defects daw siya. Pero wala naman akong makita. Everything looks really good. I think mga ano to, mga store sample nga, hindi pa gamit. Kasi brand new pa siya. O may tags at nothing is wrong with it. So ito in order ko, and just sharing it guys. When you search sa eBay, ganun checkin nyo yung mga, let's say sandals. I just opened sandals. And then, nagustuhan ko to. Clarks kasi siya. Pwedeng pang walking sa probinsya. Kahit maglakad sila malayo, maano sa paa to, maganda sa paa. So, that's why I ordered this. And it's only $10, free shipping. Tax only lang ang babayaran mo. So, konti lang dadagdag mo sa $10. Umabot siya ng okay, $11.30 guys. Yan. So, magiging masaya na ang aking pinsan dito. Hopefully she'll like it. Abangan sa Balikbayan Box.